Hi, Andrea here. I've got some more homemaking motivation for you today. I'm going to be sharing 5 areas in your kitchen to add to your next cleaning to-do list. So starting out, I'm just cleaning out my pantry. Cleaning out meaning going through all of the items and then getting rid of anything that's old or expired. So I do the fridge weekly, but the pantry is less often. So I'm going through all of the cans, the box goods, snacks, and like grains. So tortillas, bread, that kind of stuff. Check those expiration dates, see if they're going to be eaten, get rid of things that are either expired, old, or not going to be eaten. We're also going to clean out our oven, sink, toaster, and the microwave in this video, so stay tuned. Thank you for being here. I'm Andrea, a work-from-home mom with 3 toddler boys. I've had to make some habits and routines over the past 5 years for cleaning and organizing in order to keep my sanity through all of the mess and the chaos that comes with being a toddler mom. So I will be here every Monday and Thursday with a new video to help motivate you to tackle the messes and maintain order through your chaos. If you're into how-tos, tips, routines, anything like that to keep homemaking a breeze, this channel's for you, so hit that subscribe button. Alright, moving on to the oven now. I am going to take out the oven racks first because I'm going to clean all around it. There is nothing worse than the smell of like old burnt food in the oven that overpowers the delicious smell of the food that's cooking. So I try to stay as natural with my cleaning products as I can. So I'm using a Young Living Thieves all-purpose spray, spraying the entire inside of the oven down first, and then using my PurSteam steamer with just distilled water in it to really get all of that burnt on food unstuck. I use this little handheld steamer for a few things around the house. I'll link it below, but also come back next Monday. I am going to have a video with, I think it's going to be 4 to 5 other ways that I use this PurSteam handheld steamer. And then I'll just finish up the oven by taking a rag and wiping everything down so I take out like the chunks of burnt food that are now off of the oven, and wipe everything down, get it all nice and dry and clean. And then this time my oven racks weren't that dirty, so I just put them back in, and I will use that same Young Living Thieves all-purpose cleaner spray on the outside of the oven. soap on the sink and like scrub it down daily, but what I'm showing you here is what I do weekly for the sink. I think the sink needs a lot of cleaning because you put all your dirty dishes in there, the garbage disposal gets gross. So sink, to me, I'm always cleaning it. I am using this Young Living kitchen and bath scrub, but if you don't have this, I think baking soda would work just as good. So spray or sprinkle the baking soda all over so it kind of looks like this. I have a spray bottle that is just full of distilled white vinegar. So it's only distilled white vinegar, and then I spray the scrub stuff down with that. This is my favorite little scrub brush to scrub down the sink. So then I just scrub down the sink everywhere, really get into the crevices and into like where the garbage disposal is. And when you're all done, just turn on the water and rinse it all down the drain. And then I like it because I know all of that baking soda or scrub stuff is sitting now in my garbage disposal. Then I will add usually lemon essential oil to the garbage disposal between like 5 and 10 drops. And then I will run the garbage disposal and the sink is clean. The toaster is that thing that's super easy to clean. Doesn't take like any time at all, and it makes a huge difference when it's clean versus when it hasn't been cleaned. But for some reason I always forget to do it, so whenever I think about it, I try and clean the toaster because it's super easy. I just take it, pull out my little latch is just like a door on the bottom. Some pull out completely to that crumb catcher. So I empty that out, and then I also turn the toaster upside down over the garbage to get out all those other crumbs that are on the top, and then I spray it down with that same exact spray I've been using, and it just makes a huge difference. And now the toaster's clean. All right, go open your microwave right now. And if there is food splattered all over it, add this 5-minute routine to your weekly kitchen cleaning checklist, and you will never have a dirty microwave again. Just microwave a bowl with like 75% water and 25% distilled white vinegar for 5 minutes. Let that steam really grab onto all that crusted on food, and it will like easily pull off now. And then you wipe it down again with just a rag, and now it's clean. Okay, so 5 things to go get done in your kitchen now. Go clean out your pantry, those canned foods, boxed foods, all those stuff that has been sitting in there forever. Then hit your oven. We don't want that stuck on food anymore. Sink, garbage disposal, toaster, and microwave. You got it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on Thursday in our next video.